Hello everyone, today I want to show you the Mitsubishi engine. This is the 4G64 engine. This is capacity is 2.4. This is engine from Mitsubishi Outlander, or maybe you know other name. This is a Mitsubishi Airtrack, and this is a four-wheel engine. You can see this gearbox, you can see this engine, and so also you can install this engine for Mitsubishi Galant 1997 2003. This engine is 2.4 capacity, and you can install and you can use this engine for this is a two or maybe three model. You can install this engine for Mitsubishi Galant, and you can install for Mitsubishi Airtrack. And okay, we have a four-wheel gearbox, and we have other spare parts for this engine. You can buy from us, generate air compressor, conditioning, and you can buy from us throttle valve, or maybe you need other spare parts. Please write me a message, okay? I will give you feedback, and if you want, we can ship and we can send this engine to you to any city. Okay, goodbye. But I want to remember you that I am learning English, and right now I am speaking without text, and I think I'm doing it very well right now, because I speak right now without text. I speak right now without any preparation. Okay, goodbye.